In this video, we're going to discuss how to solicit user input while in the graphics window. And one of the most basic things that a user can do is press a button. So what we've done is we've typed a line of code here, which says graphics window dot key down equals on key down. And what this means is whenever a key is pressed down, it's going to go and execute the area of code labeled on key down. So we have to create that subroutine. In order to do so, we go down here, we go sub on key down, and we also have to have an end sub. So it knows where that subroutine ends. And what's going to happen is whenever a user presses a key, it's going to go and execute any code in this area. So right now there's nothing there. So we're going to go ahead and give it something to do. What we're going to do is just something real simple and say graphics window title equals graphics window dot last key. And what that will do is it's going to make the title of our graphics window be the last key pressed. So if we run this, see how there's nothing up there right now, but if I press R, the top becomes R, D, J. As I press the keys, okay, they go up there. Now some of them you'll see you'll have a special code. If I press the up arrow, it literally says up. Down is down, right is right, left is left. But if I hit the tilde or the apostrophe, here's the tilde, OEM3. The apostrophe is OEM quotes. So some of them have special codes if they're a special character. All right. So now we can cause different events to happen. So maybe if graphics window last key equals R. Oopsie, make sure we go for R then we'll say graphics window dot background color equals red. And if graphics window dot last key equals B, then background color equals blue. Okay, so right now what I've told it to do is when you press a key, automatically make the title be whatever that key that was pressed. Then if they press the R key, then it'll make the background red. If they press the B key, it'll make the background blue. So if we run the program, if I press W, just put the W up there, P, put the P up there. If I press B, bam, the background's blue. Press R, bam, background's red, blue, red, blue, red. I can just switch back and forth forever. All right, and it's really an easy way to solicit the user input from what they're doing. Now, what I want you to do is not to simply change the color. I want you to make it so that the turtle is now on the screen. So now we've got a turtle on the screen. I want the user to be able to use the arrows up and down to move the turtle forward and backward, the left and right to turn the turtle left or right. Okay, and then you're going to use pen. You're going to toggle up and down the pen so whether or not the turtle draws using U and D, and then to toggle the R key. If they press R, I want it to randomly change the color of the turtle's pen. And then once you've got this code together, go ahead and paste it to Schoology. I'm going to put the details of this assignment, because it's a little more complicated, into the activity line on Schoology. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them as a comment as well. Your classmates can help you with that as well. Thank you.